Hi there, my name's John.
I'm Carol.
And together we are Budgie's Bus. If you're wondering why the channel's been called that, is because when our children were small, back in the 90s, we had to buy a minibus because there was 8 of us. And everyone knew it locally when they seen it as a Budgie's Bus. And the last 4 motorhomes has just carried on with the name. We've been motorhoming now for near on 17 years and we really enjoy it. We decided last year to sell the motorhome that we had because we knew COVID would be locking us down for at least 2 years and we wouldn't be able to go abroad or do what we wanted. So the idea of our channel is that we will do some reviews of products that we've owned and used for many years. Also we will try and show some people who've never had a motorhome what to look for when you're buying one, and to understand that a 3.5 ton vehicle, if you're lucky, you might only have a small amount of payload by the time you took into account the 1 adult, maybe 2 children, bikes and so on. We'll also like to take you through some of the things that we've done over the years. We've always, when we've been abroad, did all our cooking mainly with solar cooker, which is basically a box with reflectors on, and it can cook anything from bread to chickens to gammons to steak. So we'll be showing you some of those ideas. Since March this year we've been actually using it here in the UK really well, and it's worked pretty good. We'll show you some of the things that we've made in it and go on from there. I'd like to thank Robin Lynn of Robin Lynn on Tour, Steve and Lindsay of Roaming Radfords, Dan and Magsy of TV Trolls,
Travel Trolls.
Travel Trolls TV, sorry Dan. Also Mandy and John, but if it weren't for them we would never have got up and done this. Steve and Lindsay and Rob and Lynn, they're the ones that gave us the inspiration to get up and going now. We've enjoyed your channels and we'd like just to say thank you for all the hard work that you've put into these. Hopefully next time Carol will be able to do a bit more talking, but she's really nervous at the moment, and as you can imagine this is our first time talking to a camera. So bear with us and hopefully we'll be able to show you some of the things that we've done and we'll be up to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy or wish to subscribe, please click the like button, leave a comment below. That will give us inspiration and we will try and answer everyone that comes in. So remember, like, subscribe and to pass on and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. As our motto is that part of any holiday is a travelling. The travelling to us is just as much the fun as the destination we're going to. So what we usually say is happy travelling and take care. Bye for now.
Bye.